Top of the hour, and what can be seen as a strong message to the fatwa lobby, actor Salman Khan has now shared stunning pictures of himself flaunting a luxurious limited edition Ram Janmabhoomi watch. Now, this comes ahead of Eid and the release of his film Sikandar, as the watch features intricate depictions of Ayodhya Ram Mandir, Lord Ram, Lord Hanuman and other sacred symbols. On a social media post, Salman Khan is seen wearing a blue t-shirt while showcasing his saffron-coloured watch, captioning "See you in theatres on the 30th of March." Now, the bold message has certainly riled the ecosystem, with the Samajwadi Party now saying that the actors will do anything for money and that Salman Khan is using Lord Ram's name to mint money.
देखिए, हम अदाकार कलाकार ये लोग क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते हैं। हो सकता है कि श्री रामचंद्र जी के नाम पे वो इस घड़ी को कई सौ करोड़ में नीलाम कर दें। हमारे देश में जो कलाकार हैं उनका जो दायित्व है समाज के प्रति, आप पैसा दे दीजिए इनको, आप कहीं पे भी नचा लीजिए। आज इन्होंने श्री रामचंद्र जी का नाम बेचना है तो आप देखिएगा इस घड़ी का क्या दाम लगता है। तो ये सब मार्केटिंग है, फिल्मों से पैसा कमाया जाए, अब भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी के नाम से पैसा कमाया जाए।
But this is not the first time that hardliners are up in arms. Just earlier this month, Mohammad Shami's daughter was also criticized for playing Holi, with some clerics claiming that it was against Shariat. Now, in March, a cleric called Mohammad Shami a criminal for skipping fasting during a match against Australia. Several other celebrities, including Amir Khan's daughter, Ira Khan, actor Sara Ali Khan, Nusrat Jahan, Salman Khan, all of them have been facing similar backlash for their personal choices and action. As actor Sara Ali Khan spoke about her spiritual connection with Kedarnath at the Times Now summit yesterday, where she conveyed a message to her critics stating that she is indifferent to their opinions and finds peace at Kedarnath. Let's in the meantime get a word from Shweta, who's joining us live right now. Shweta, this is unnecessary, more or less, such kind of commentary that is now coming in. If an individual does something according to his faith, then it is called a religious practice. If it goes against what the hardliner says, then they go on to accuse the celebrity or the individual as someone who will do anything to make money or to mint money. What kind of a logic is this?
Well, a very good morning to you first. Well, you're absolutely right. While we understand from this particular case of Mr. Salman Khan, now remember he has been very busy, all his schedule promoting his film Sikandar. Having said that, we have seen he has posted several posts on social media, interacting with fans, doing campaigns. With this, a particular watch that has come to light with Salman Khan has grabbed the headlines, grabbed criticism, and now Salman Khan is being put to question that why he needs to wear the watch. The watch has a different story. The watch is of course stylish and everything. We have seen him wearing the watch throughout the event yesterday. There have been so many pictures out on social media. But this entire controversy took another level when Salman Khan himself had posted few pictures of him on social media promoting his film and stating about the film Sikandar. What happened was he's wearing a watch which has a Jacob & Co collection, which in fact projects Pran Pratishtha of Ram Janmabhoomi, and it's a very beautiful watch. Having said that, we have seen that while people are appreciating the watch and everything, the entire section of people have taken the social media on storm, criticizing Salman Khan, stating that why he needs to do this. Is this kind of appeasement he's doing for one particular party? And throughout the social media,
actually, because it amazes us that it is Salman Khan who is now being targeted, an individual who has played several roles of the most hit films as well, whether be it Bajrangi Bhaijaan, or also when it is very well known that his family also celebrates Ganesh Utsav in a big way. However, let's speak of the actor Sara Ali Khan as well, because of late she's also been visiting temples and dhams, and of course when it comes to Kedarnath as well, what the role that she is also portrayed in the movie. Let's take a look and listen into what the actor says.
I think I feel a sense of home there. I feel a sense of discovery there. The energy in the temple, the energy just in the valley in general. An attachment to it that I really don't know how to explain. I discovered myself and I feel comfortable there. I feel peaceful there. I think I feel a sense of home there. I feel a sense of discovery there. The energy in the temple, the energy just in the valley in general. An attachment to it that I really don't know how to explain. I discovered myself and I feel comfortable there. I feel peaceful there.